everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. It's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. So today I wanted to talk a little bit more about our silicone craft sheet. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started on today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. Click that red subscribe button. You can also click that little girl that sits in the corner of the screen. Either way, click the subscribe button, you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell and that will notify you every time I upload a video. I typically upload videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, unless something's happened and I'm unable to get to a video. But typically Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays is when I do my videos. And again, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Any of the supplies that I used in today's video will be linked in the description below. If you click on that, that will take you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. And again, if you click on the link in the description, that will take you on over to my website. And we're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about these silicone craft sheets. Now these are inexpensive. I have 2 of these in my craft space, and the reason being I use one for just adhesive, and then my other one I use for techniques, or before Stampin' Up came out with embossing mats, I used to use my silicone craft sheet. And I did a video using the silicone craft sheet, I think, to emboss with our framelits, which I will have an iCard at the top of the screen that you can click on, and it will take you over to that video. I also did another video showing you a technique using the silicone craft sheet, and again I will have an iCard right at the top of the screen that you can click on, and it will show you a different technique using the silicone craft sheet. Now this silicone craft sheet is for adhesive. However, there's so many different things that you can do with this silicone craft sheet. So I have 2 of these. Now you will notice on mine, I've got some adhesive that's gone and dried on here. I was creating a project and I had to go away from the project, and I forgot that there was glue here. Now it's dried. What I could do is I could go and soak this under running water, you know, in like a bowl of water, and wait for the glue to get soft and take some Dawn dish soap. However, I've got a great tip to share with you guys today. You're going to love it. Now, I have painter's tape. This is something that I keep in my craft space as well. And all you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of painter's tape. You're going to stick it down. I have a bone folder here, and I'm just going to run my bone folder on top. And then you're going to peel this up, and look at that. It just peeled the glue away. How cool, you guys. So now I don't have to really go to my sink, run some water, or anything. I can just come, and look how easy that is, just peeling away. So cool. Now, these silicone craft sheets are fantastic when you're using adhesive, because it doesn't go, you know, the glue doesn't stick to your page. It stays on here. You're able to take your stuff off nice and easy. But I wanted to share this tip with you, you guys. How cool is that? So now all the adhesive is stuck onto my painter's tape. Super awesome. Now I don't have any adhesive on my craft sheet, and if I wanted to, I can go put this under the tap, little dish soap, wash it up, and it's good as new. Good as new. So I hope you found today's tip useful, you guys. Keep a roll of this in your craft room. You never know when you're going to use this. I have done a video as well using some painter's tape technique, which I will have an iCard at the top of the screen. But yeah, next Friday I'm going to show you a technique using this silicone craft sheet, so stay tuned for that. I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe weekend. Thank you so much for stopping by today, you guys. Take care.